Well, hello YouTube. I am out here today, about to head into Station Camp Creek. Uh, I was supposed to go up to Kentucky today and fish at Lake Barkley, but I got too late of a start, so I came out here. Haven't been out here in a little while, so figure might see if there's any big fish hiding back there, and maybe we can get on something. And if not, well, at least we tried. Brought a couple different setups with me today, so I'm gonna get myself situated and we'll get out here and let's see what we can hook into. Y'all. It's been a little bit of a challenge, but we finally just got our first fish of the day here. Nice little largemouth. Let me get him unhooked here. There we go. He's got a funny looking little mouth on him. But hey, first fish of the day, so we can't complain. So I came back here about as far as I could get up the creek before it got too shallow, and caught that first bass on a little B-Vibe swim bait. So see if there's any more hanging out around here. It's been kind of slow. I've been throwing some stuff on my way back here, but just hadn't had any takers. Get my pole out of the tree right there. But it's alright. Oh, look what we got here. That is a little, that's a smallmouth. A tiny little smallmouth. Get that guy unhooked. Definitely not what we're after, but hey, it's fish. Let me get this big boy over here. Whew. There we go. Whew. I was throwing around this little jitterbug. Get this guy off this hook. There we go. Look at that guy right there. Nice healthy largie. Throw him back in the water real quick. Whew. Caught him. I can get it out of my net here. On this black jitterbug. Yeah. Got us another fish on the board. Little old bluegill on the B-Vibe. Get that guy back in the water as I drop my pole in the water. Professional fisherman stuff, you know what I'm saying? Alright, y'all. Starting to run out of daylight here. Got a weird light right now, but making my way back down the creek here, and I'm throwing this Googan revolver. I just lost a really nice bass on it a second ago. He jumped and spit the hook, so I'm hoping I can at least get one more. Finally got one to take the revolver. Get this guy hooked here. He crushed it. There we go. Look at that guy on the Googan revolver. That makes up for the one I lost. So let's get that guy back in the water. He did a little jump. Well, alright, y'all. Heading back to the to the bank now, so sorry it wasn't a super eventful video, but at least we were able to get on a couple decent ones. I haven't been back in this creek in a while, so I was glad to see that there are still some fish back there, and I was glad that we were able to hook into some largemouth, especially on topwater, because I really don't fish topwater a whole lot. So not sure where we will be in the next one. I have a birthday coming up this week, so I'm thinking about going to the Harpeth River, maybe doing some smallmouth fishing. Normally I go to the Red River every year on my birthday, but wanted to switch it up some, and I haven't been to the Harpeth in probably about 10 years, so maybe there's some decent fishing. So if so, y'all will see a video, and if not, well, I'll just see y'all in the next one whenever I finally figure out what I'm doing. So peace out, and I'll see y'all later.